Hey cutlery lover, this is the Manwich. Don't worry about the mask, it's just so my face isn't shown. But I do have a very serious question on my Zippo. It's an ace of spades. I got it from a website called um executivegifts.com. Here, I'll get it fully in there. And then it's engraved on the back, but it's like my name and number, so I'm not gonna show you. And then but it works fine, like it opens and everything. But when I flick this, nothing happens. It's completely stuck. Completely. And I got this like 2 months ago. I don't know if something in there due to it. But I looked at it and 1 second. I used your methods on this video just to see if maybe it was just disintegrated and it was just a stopper. But I opened it. There's the backer. And there's a piece of flint in there. I don't know, it's small, but it's still it could still easily be workable. But it works fine other than the flint. And look, when I have it barely in there, like I still look, it's not even screwed on yet. That's how screwed in it is. Even less. And look, it's even less. I'll do it drastically less. Look, you can still completely see it out. And look, it doesn't move. So, the only times it does move is if I completely unscrew it. And, like, I can spin it and everything, but it's completely unscrewed. But even if I merely put tiny pressure on it, it won't work. So, I'll just basically do a view of the Zippo, show you everything about it. And it is real Zippo, so it's not like a park light or anything. So that probably is not the case. I don't know if you can see anything in there. Or back here. Or back here. I went on a camp out for Boy Scouts, and I brought it with me, and it worked the whole time on the camp out. When I got back to put it away, I was just messing around with it, and I tried flicking it, and it just wouldn't work. So, I don't know if you have any ideas, but if you could help me try to fix it, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you.